Welcome to Accelerated Engineering. My name is John, and this is the video encyclopedia entry for the secant function, or SEC. The secant function takes an input angle, assumed to be in radians, and outputs the secant of that angle. And the secant is defined as the hypotenuse divided by the adjacent side of that angle, assuming a right triangle built on the angle, or the input angle, A. In this case, I've generated a list of input values in degrees because I'm an engineer, I think in degrees. And then in column B, I have converted to radians and taken the secant of the appropriate number. Now, the secant function explodes or approaches an asymptote at some values, in this case 90, and it's the 3/2 pi radians multiples. I think that's the right way to say that. And it realistically always holds values greater than 1 or less than -1. These lines up and down are just because Excel wants to maintain a continuous line. The secant function is able to input large values up to 10 to the power of 8. Somewhere between 10 to the power of 8 and 10 to the power of 9, there is a numerical error. The number is too large. And then for very, very small numbers, if I raise 10 to the power of -307, it approaches 1. And we can see that at the 0 line, this function indeed approaches 1. And that makes sense because the cosine at 0 is equal to 1. And 1 divided by 1 is 1. That makes sense. Related functions to the secant function are, as mentioned, the cosine function, which is 1 over the secant, or I guess they're defined the other way, but whatever. And the other inverse trig functions, like the cosecant and the cotangent functions. This concludes the video encyclopedia entry for the secant function. Please take a moment to like and subscribe to this channel if you have not already done so and want to continue seeing more content like this. Thanks for watching.